Third is for Tamil audience, very important. For Tamil audience, I will say, I felt a little bit worried about it is there is no complete NEET batch, very famous, that is very for affordable price. I didn't see many things. There was only one thing I have felt, that also I didn't feel that much very happy. I will say, know your teachers, complete NEET. I will say only thing that is a little bit famous nowadays, that is Xylem Tamil channel. This is a veterinary batch. They're launching it now. Still they're going on. This paid around 17,500. This price they didn't say anything on YouTube, but they didn't just say that. See the description link that they are given, pinned it like that only they will say, but nothing. The price they didn't reveal it. But I have referred it. Just in the link in the description. I have checked it out that it is around 17,500. I felt it is cost a little bit high. If somebody will feel that an offline they're charging around 1 lakh or 50,000 above, if for online 17,500 is a little bit good on if you think like that, I will say not that much good. I will say it can be a little bit around. I have said for Hindi batches and all around 4K. This little bit more price I will feel around 5,000. It's okay, but this around more than 15,000, right? I felt a little bit not that much high amount. I didn't felt that much effective, but I will say the teachers are really good. I felt the teachers is working really hard. Definitely, I will say if you want online coaching for Tamil NEET completely, you can follow this batch. I will say, but this price only I felt a little bit very high. That's all. It is my opinion. I will say, know your teachers subject wise. Now I'm going to say subject wise because in physics many teachers are not there for complete 3 subjects. I'm going to say point out each and every teacher physics. If what are the teachers you can follow. For physics, I will say concepts of physics. You can see the free batch, which is crash course last year they have completed it. You can see the same. Otherwise, you can. There are some batches also they are offering it for crash course for chemistry and physics also. If you find it is affordable, definitely you can buy. Otherwise, you can watch the free lectures of last year's also. Physics area, this is also free batch. It is there for last old lectures. Also, you can see the content is same for every year. You should be selective for which this year what are the related questions are there, that you should refer it and study it. That's all. Nothing to do very hard, nothing hard thing to do that. Definitely I will say you can do it very easily. Some paid crash courses they are offering that definitely you can also buy if you feel it is affordable. For chemistry, I will say World of Chemistry. They have completed the lectures for everything from last year lectures, I think so, 1 year before. I will say the maximum lectures they are for maximum matter they have completed it. But chemistry for NEET in Tamil, they have left some chapters. I feel like some physical chapters they have left something. But I will say, what are the teachers? If you feel best, if you feel the chemistry for NEET it is good. Some chapters if you feel that it is missing is that time you can refer here. Otherwise, sir, this World of Chemistry it is very comfortable for me. That teacher itself I will watch for every chapter. If you feel, then you can watch for this itself. Third is Komali ma'am. This teacher is very famous for Tamil audience. I feel. The reason is they are giving the tips and tricks for everything, like for inorganic, organic, what are things you can remember very fastly, how we can remember it, many thing advice they are giving it, they have felt really good, but you can't able to expect that for one chapter, they will not give the complete guidance of it. They'll just say the tips and tricks, what are the things you can do. That is a good thing. For chemistry, these are the teachers I will refer you. Third is biology. I have said, or Talaivar we will say, like biology, by simplified Tamil, is a very good teacher, I will say. For biology, if you want to refer current Tambikai batch, also you can also go with it. Otherwise, what I feel is, see the old lectures also, it is old batch also, it is very good. Next, second thing is NEET Biology Tamil, really it is a good batch. This is also, you can also refer. Which thing you felt, it is a old lectures are there. You can revise this the same. The old lectures I have given. If you feel it is good, then you can refer the old batch itself, lectures, old batch lectures. If you feel biology Tamil, then definitely you can go for biology Tamil. These are 2 options you have in biology. That's all. Third, we are going to go for Tamil audience. I will say, let's feel the thing which is very little bit very bad about Telugu audience. The thing is, there is more teachers more about Telugu audience. For Telugu audience, I felt is the teachers are there for some batches, some teachers are there for NEET, but many teachers are not there. as I felt in Hindi, Tamil, general audience. If you feel that for Telugu audience, if I say some batches, like I will recommend you one batch. I think I felt only one batch for Telugu audience completely. I felt a little bit good. If you felt something around for Tamil audience, Telugu audience also you can refer it. For me, if I felt very good, that only I have mentioned it. If you felt not good, what I am mentioning now, I am going to mention you now. Send, you can also refer it for general audience. That also you can also refer it for Telugu audience. Third, for Telugu audience, I will say is know your teachers. Complete NEET you can follow. Only one brand name I felt is Vedantu Telugu NEET. So only batch I felt free. That is for old lectures they have given freely. They have made a playlist. You can also watch it for now. Second thing is, if you felt Vedantu Telugu NEET Arjuna batch is going on around less than 3K I think so. So you can also buy this. If you feel that everything should be coming around this like DPP module test series, then definitely you should buy this. That's the thing I will say. Nothing more than this for batches are there. Are many teachers are for physics, chemistry. I can't able to recommend you separately because I didn't felt any teachers on YouTube. So third, I'm going to say one more important thing. You may feel that for Tamil Telugu audience, a little bit less teachers are, less batches are there. What are the teachers? Other batches? Why can refer if you feel like that. If you feel like Tamil or Telugu, I want low cost price batch, then definitely what you should do is, if you didn't feel that much cost effective and I didn't feel that teachers are a little bit very good and suit for me, then what you should go is, you go for general audience, what I have referred the teachers, that thing you should follow and study it, then definitely it will help you. This is the recommendation I will say. If you feel like Tamil Telugu, I want the complete batch for DPP module, everything I want for the batch within included in the batch. For that, what you should do is, if you didn't feel for Tamil teachers, Tamil audience, what are the teachers I recommend? If you feel that is very cost, otherwise but teachers didn't suit for me, then go to general audience and refer the teachers that it will be suiting you. I think so, because PW English I have said, Anna Academy I have said. Next, one more thing, Vedantu DNA match, English batch. These teachers will be really good. I will say go to that batch and you can also study it. If you didn't feel that in Tamil teach audience for what are the batches I have mentioned, if you didn't feel that much good, then go to general audience. If you ask me the question like, bro, if I take any free batches or selected teachers for each subject, like I said for physics and Tamil audience, like separately this teachers are there for lectures are there for free on YouTube. There is any free batches for any, if you have enrolled for free batches or selected teachers in each subject you have selected, and now you are referring it and studying it, but the thing you have left is, the thing you need more question practice for, that is, you need more questions to practice like. Further, what you should do is, for physics, if I will say, important thing for getting 150 plus marks, 160 plus marks, for in chemistry also 150 plus, for bio 300 plus, 320 plus, like the marks you should get. Further, what are things you necessarily should solve is NCERT example, intakes, PYQ, etc. And intakes solved, example of NCERT chemistry, it is very important. PYQs example, like that questions you should definitely solve. This thing you should not get in a free batch or any selected teachers. What are the things you have selected on YouTube that you should do additionally? Assistant reason questions for bio, maths, PYQs related to NEET, that everything you should do. What are the things you have referred now? Definitely important, very important I will say, definitely to get high score in the each subject. For that, everything in one solution I will say, one app I will going to refer here. Definitely I will say little bit really good, but cost a little bit, I didn't felt very high, but okay, a little bit high I will say. But you can afford it. If you feel something around 4,000, 5,000, less than 5,000, it will be okay, sir, for me. If you are giving test series, batch, what you can say, questions, everything completely they are giving for three subjects. I felt a little bit around 5,000. If you feel good, then definitely I will say recommend you, because if you already didn't spend anything in free batches, if you want to spend a little bit money in low cost, then definitely I will say recommend you to buy this app. One more thing, this not only for free students, if you're paid also you can buy. So the thing, if you may ask me, sir, in paid already they are giving DPPs modules and test series and all. Again, you should solve this extra thing separately for this. If you ask me, if you feel that I have already spent 4,000 for batch, again I can spend 4,000 under less than 4k, what you can say, less than 4k on batch is there, and again I'm going to spend 4,000, 5,000 for any practicing questions and extra thing, other things I have mentioned in physics, chemistry, bio. Around less than, if you total it, around less than 10k I will spend, sir, for NEET preparation. If you feel, because many of them are in offline centers, they are spending 1 lakh. For one hour just spending less than 10k, I felt it would be good. For practicing more practice, I need more questions effectively. If you feel, definitely I will say, I will recommend you this for free also. If you are paid also, paid batch you have buy it also, you can, for extra practice also you can buy this batch. The batch is MEMONEET. Really excellent batch, I will say. You will feel light little bit, the cost a little bit high, but it is worth it. I have said before itself, it is worth it, I will say. The special thing about this is, you can give multiple revision algorithm, the different setting they have given you. Multiple revision algorithm is, if you bookmark question that we could revise it multiple times by this algorithm method. You have solved a chapter with some questions that are given in MEMONEET. After solving it, you will solve some questions wrong. That question, what they will do is, they will separate it separately in the algorithm method, revision algorithm, and that thing you should repeatedly solve and complete it multiple times. That thing, what it will make is, you will try to don't repeat that same mistake in the exam. That thing, what they have done is, they are given the multiple revision algorithm that you can use it, but you should use it very wisely, because sometimes you may feel a little bit lazy also. That thing you should manage it. Second thing is formula question practice. They are in physics also, if you see, they are given something like formula, they are given that type of question, they have saved a separate section for it. If they give some formula type question, directly you should use formula and solve it. Like that question, many things they are given in MCQs for NEET 2024, 2020, last previous also, if you see, many direct questions are there. For that, if you do particularly like that type of questions, you can see separately one sections I have made. Reaction for MCQs, like in organic reactions, you can see definitely many reactions are there. And it also, they are asking reaction type questions. That type of question also you can solve separately. They have made a section on making it for students. Notes also you can also see. Podcast also there, you can also listen in morning times, you can walk and listen it. Puzzles also is there, extra thing, many things are there. If you buy it, definitely you can see this. Plus a paid batch joined for, I will say, for question practice and test series also you can buy. If you feel I didn't buy anything test series for question practice or test series, I don't have anything. If you feel, I will definitely recommend you to buy for question practice. There are many questions to practice, then definitely you will say, for question practice, the 100% reason I am going to say you to buy is question practice, I will say. This is the thing I want to say for everybody. Finally, I will say, all the best for your NEET preparation. Definitely I am going to rock it. All the best. Thanks for watching.